Hey, Doug Bair here with eXp Realty, here at my new listing, 109 Charter Court in Feasterville Trevose. It's a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2 half bath, and it's about 2,200 square feet. I'm gonna take you through it. Let's go check it out. So as you walk in the front door here, you're gonna see that there are wood floors all throughout this main level here. And it opens right into the dining room, to the kitchen, and the family room as well. So as you come in from the dining room right into the kitchen here, you can see it's nice granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, and it's a really nice open floor plan as well. So as you come in the living room here, it kind of flows right into the family room. And something I love about this floor is the living room has nice oak wood flooring, and it transitions really well into the Brazilian flooring that the homeowner put in about 2 to 3 years ago. So when you come upstairs, you're gonna find 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and one of them is actually in the master bedroom as well. Now when you make it down to the finished basement, you can see there's plenty of space all throughout. There's a nice little wet bar and a half bathroom. And the cool thing about down here is there's actually plumbing in place to make it a full bathroom if you'd like to do that. And if you're looking for a place to entertain outdoors, this deck is huge. You can see there's plenty of space for grilling, hanging out, and just relaxing. Thanks for checking out our new listing here at 109 Charter Court, Feasterville Trevose. My name is Doug Bair with eXp Realty. If you want some more information on the home or schedule a tour, reach out to me. My number and email are on the screen, also in the description below. Talk soon.